Michael 1. V3 will come down to crush underfoot every pagan altar. Mountains will melt beneath his feet like wax beside a fire. Valleys will vanish like water rushing down a ravine. The water flow to put out the Ghost Rider. White people call me Dreadman. White people call me Dreadman. Red MF and a Holloway Justice. Dread as the locks, dreader than a D block. Off the meat rock, uppercut it off the meat rack. Meat locker like Frost, got it unlocked. Like the bad guy John Locke. Sawyer ain't Tom Sawyer, who's the Don. Never the twain shall meet. Sarah Wayne and the fake Sawyer, or the real Tom Sawyer. And Huck Finn that did his R.I.P. on the hook by the one time and rest in prison, our kid. What we talking meds and refs? We talking meds and refs. Keep it clean whilst Redman and the refugee ain't a G. Like $999. Dirty like Pigpen. Dirty like Pigpen. Meth them times up like Big Ben, like Nigel, but it's not clocked. What? A homicidal disciple of the archetypal Archangel Michael will leave him smited like sniper rifle. Leave his brains in trifle bits. Trifle bits. Don't try nothing, you little bitch. Keep it clean whilst Redman the refugee ain't a G. Try fully to be in my bitch, you get your throat slit in your sleep. So you silent like Mr. Bean, silent like Mystery, silent like Mystique in X-Men who don't speak. Who don't speak? I caught you acting like Mr. Get Bad, so you Mr. Get Spun like Red Rum. You can't even step that if you did the nuptials with my dudes, which ain't the sharpest move on her part, my dude. Like attacking with a harpoon, blue shark, you be food in a tooth. Supposed to be Pyru, all blue suit. Soup, blue! Sometimes you don't rep red, just reps feds. Like 1-800 Crime Stoppers. Cocoa Poppers. Are you a Cocoa Pop? So you got them Grandadola bars. I drops off the top like Coca-Cola roller coaster car. Taras, clutch. Two-tone in this bitch. Meds and ref. Bring the referee in.